What is up, guys? So, if you guys haven't noticed in the last couple of videos, the tensions around the shop have gotten pretty high. And, well, I felt like I needed to handle that. So today, we're doing such. You ready to party?
Being up here is going to make it easier this one.
What do you think, Sammy?
This is, I'm overzealous.
This is unreal.
Who's actually gonna beat today?
I don't know, probably you.
Dude, we're all going to the hospital today, and I don't have good health insurance, so I hope you guys do.
Tap out!
Sammy, I'm coming for you.
Sean. All right, not all the boys are here right now, but we gotta get a feel for the ring. So, Sammy, don't go easy on her. Go! Ah! Get him!
Okay, I lose.
That takes a lot out. Ding, ding, ding.
Are you ready to rumble? Come on! No, he's off it. Are you ready to rumble?
What are you doing?
You ready to fight?
Not quite, but I will be after I drink some things. I haven't had my coffee.
Not even that early.
I haven't had my coffee yet. I'm not even up yet.
Come on, Donald!
That thing is so loud. This is scary up here.
Are you okay? Yours was so big.
You like bouncing?
All right, here we go. Time for the main event. Who is ready to beat Drew's ass? So we got the bouncy house, we got the boxing gloves, we got most of the guys. Not everyone's here yet, but we're gonna get to it. Jip Flakes, we have to get that out early in the video.
Jip Flakes?
Jip Flakes.
I got a lot to say about that coming up. If he doesn't get in the ring with me, folks.
Who's going first? Oh yeah, you two first. You guys starting to settle. That's it. You guys got, yeah, there we go.
Oh my God!
Oh my God.
Definitely not like.
That's a lot of man.
You like this?
You guys like it? Like, comment, subscribe for RJ's chest. Nuts are fair game. No kicks, Brian. No kicks.
No eye gouging, no poking, no nose poking, no poking your friend's nose.
And no one be a tryhard.
Don't talk about Fight Club.
And don't talk about this, all right?
Can we like, never mind.
Go ahead. Yeah, say it. We need a referee. We don't have a referee shirt, so we're improvising.
I don't want no bullshit calls here. I don't want no bullshit fighters. Get out of here.
Whoa. Okay. You don't fight the ref here.
Oh, I've been waiting for this day.
We're going down.
All right, boys. No noses. Kind of stay out below the belt, and I want a dirty fight. All right, let's go. Let's go, guys.
Oh my God.
Oh man.
Archie's got something to
Come
prove.
on.
Oh.
Get him down. Oh my God. That could have been so bad.
Wow. We need to redo that.
Cheap shot. He's trying to knock me out. He's trying to take me out. He knows he can't beat me unless he gives me the cheap shit.
Fight.
Let's go, boys.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh yeah. Rado, this is easy money. Easy money. Easy money. All right. Get to your corners. Get to your corners.
Short bitch.
Round 2, RJ.
Like that tactic.
We're 1-1, boys.
This is the money round. Whoever wins this round wins.
Donald's still a short bitch.
Oh my god.
Come on, keep it a good one.
Oh my.
I can't breathe.
Tap it out.
This is a wrestling ring.
1,
Tunnel ring.
2, 3. What the hell? RJ wins. That's it.
I can't breathe.
I can't breathe either.
Who won?
No one. They both lost. First.
See me pick him up and back throw him?
Oh, I thought he picked you up and pulled you down. I'm a really good ref. You guys want to play it? First person down loses?
Yep, let's do it.
All right.
Oh my god.
I think RJ's the winner at this.
Yeah, I think RJ won.
My nuts are done.
Winner this round, RJ.
RJ won.
DJ gave up a lot.
I'm disappointed in both of them, but DJ held his own pretty good.
In reality, they both lost. Yeah. That wasn't a great first fight, but it was probably one of the better ones we'll have.
Realistically,
You could see the actual grudge.
I rented this for that fight.
Yeah, I mean, we could stop.
Your DJ feud has been going.
RJ's bleeding. Is it between his legs or on his arm?
I think you got something to settle.
No, we're fine. Hey guys, it's Grubby. Let's go.
You got this, Grubby. You got this. Brian's just a black belt, you know? Something light. Look at this backwards stuff.
That's a big ass pin, son.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Jeez!
All right, corners.
Go! Rest in peace. How you feeling? How you feeling?
I'm good. I just took a spill.
We need some kitty litter for that spill.
I want a nice dirty fight.
Go!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, don't hit me.
I'm running in the corner.
Oh, oh.
All right, round 2's over. Stop. Alrighty. Round 3, you ready? You want to switch those gloves finally, or are we going like that?
Get him good. Oh, fuck. Oh, oh.
Holy shit! Hey! Yeah!
That's it.
Victor!
Honestly, you held a good one.
Yeah, guys.
You held a real good one.
Holy shish kebabs.
I didn't think Grubby would hold his own like that.
No, he did. He did great.
He did real good.
Round, he came out.
and RJ were doing.
He came out strong. RJ said no face shot. You guys were nothing but face shots.
gloves?
There was no, you can't get nothing but face shots, bro. The dude's going like this, and you gotta get over. I guess you guys could use that.
Probably should have used that.
Probably avoid some head trauma, you know, just in case. Liability reasons. These are real sports kids.
It's glistening right now.
Jesse, how do you feel after your first loss? I challenge you.
Whoa! Shit.
That didn't work how I thought it was. No, not at all. You survived.
Just land on your ass. Wait, hang on.
Doctor, I'm Oh, where are my feet going? All right. So we're going down.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Dude, I was like, you landed! That was awesome! I'm impressing my boys, holy shit! I'm impressing my boys. Off the top.
Where's Jip? There he is.
Are you ready to rumble?
Let's go, boys! It is time for the main event. Jimmy Everett, also known as Jip, and Drew, also known as Randall.
Let's go, boys!
This has been a long time feud. coming to be settled right now.
Since 6th grade, boys.
You ready to beat his ass?
Yeah, I'm ready to time it a knot.
This is like Macho Libre.
Stretch it out, Chip.
This is so good.
Do you have anything to say?
Yeah.
Let's go, boys. This one's for Drew too.
All right,
I don't think I got this, but I'm gonna give it my all.
All right, I keep telling everybody, keep it below the face, but do what you gotta do. Long-awaited grudge match.
Here we go.
The corner, get in here. Come on,
Grab his leg and twist it.
That was so hard. Oh, sheesh. He's going for the head. Oh my God.
That one chip. Couple good head blows.
Yo, you got him in the noggin.
His like hands are like.
There was a lot of dancing, but there was a couple good head blows. So we gotta get up. We got 2 more rounds, my dude. All right, there you go. Throw water. It's so hard to get out. All right, round 2. Fight. Stick your finger in the snake wrinkle.
Oh, whoa, whoa, boy.
He got flushed.
Dude, I got eaten by this thing.
All right, Chad gloves, get back into it. Let's go.
Ooh. Get him. Ooh.
Why? Yeah, you wanna.
That's
You ready for
it.
round 3? All right, quick little breather. He's out.
Dude, it's a lot tiring than you think.
Alrighty. Are we calling it? He's on the ground.
Oh, we gotta go one more. Yeah.
Refueling, Randy.
All right, he's in.
He's in.
We're back. Alrighty, last round. This is the victor.
This be like a 30-second round.
You're kind of ready.
Yeah, I guess.
All right, tab gloves. Let's get in this, boys. Go.
Oh.
Holy shit. Oh my God, he's bringing it out. Third round.
Ooh. Ooh.
Nice.
Oh.
All right. You gotta stand.
That was a good finisher there.
That was a good finisher.
Chip is the winner.
Oh my God. It's done. It's done. Chip is the winner.
Nice work there, buddy.
Thanks. That was good. Dude, this is tiring. I was waiting until he would throw his balloon arms and I'd be like, boop. There it is.
Post interview, Drew.
I'm hurting. Give me my water. Oh, my water's empty.
That's right.
But oh, here we go, better than water.
You held your own pretty good there, Drew.
I knew it wasn't gonna go good, but I gave it my all, folks.
I just want to thank my sponsor, High Noon. I can't.
Donald. Good job, Donald. You broke it.
I hope all the scores are settled after this one.
I'm still gonna want to hit Donnie tomorrow.
I know you are. That one never ends.
But it's out of love.
Do you want to keep the boxing gloves?
Yeah, can we just keep the gloves?
It's a nice Monday punch in the gut. Start the week.
Sounds great.
Jimmy forgot to pay me on Friday.
All right, we're all cleaned up. Today was crazy. It was quite a blast. I've been dying to do something like that since we moved into this big ass shop, and we were able to do it. And I hope the boys were able to let off a little bit of steam, but it was fun. Honestly, it was great just to have the guys around, and we had a great time. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys got a couple laughs out of it, and well, you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys soon.